Okay, guys, I'm back over here. I'm using my gloves. I took my Michael Jackson gloves off. Now, guys, I'm gonna show you. This pump is a model. I don't know if you could take over here. I'm gonna show you here what. You can see right there, Series 100. And Series 100. That's what it is. It's by Bell. Okay, and I can see this number over here. I don't know what's that number mean right there, but the main thing is a Series 100 B and G. Okay, this pump every year when you go service or do a service, you're supposed to put a couple of drops of oil, over here, and a couple of drops of oil over here, just to keep. Sometimes they get noise, and you could cut back the noise by doing that. No, but they're wrong. Maybe sometimes even we put oil, there's still a little bit noise. But people are gonna say, I know, oh, you got that oil. If you know oil, they're gonna make noise. Well, yeah, it's still cut back, it's still noise. It's still. They're gonna make noise. So there's 2 drops of oil over here and 2 drops of oil over here. Not a lot of oil because then you overfill. And then over here you got another thing over here. You could put oil over here. See over here, you lift this thing up and you drop oil. What's that? 3-in-1 on oil? That's pretty much it coming. You drop a couple of drops over here, couple of drops over here, couple of drops over here. A lot of people, they forgot to do that. Next thing you know, you down back and now you replacing that motor. Okay. To this type of pump, the 2 main problems that I run a lot is the impeller shot, either completely shot or the coupling. If you see over here, there's a coupling right between there. We're going to take it out and show you how to replace that. This is the more common problem. That coupling snap on and you get the call no heat. Either if you're in a commercial building or residential building. So that's the first thing you look into it. Okay, make sure the coupling is not damaged. You will know right away because the motor will run on the pump. Okay, so from time to time you're gonna see, you might go to this call and you might see water coming out of here. If you see water coming out of here, that means the seal on the housing is bad, and then you will have to replace this part over here. For that, you will have to drain the boiler or close the water so there's no water come out. But this part over here is called the housing, impeller housing over here. You will have to replace that. Okay, it's a seal behind over here, and so from time to time they go bad. But most common problem is your impeller is bad. Okay, now you just gotta make sure every time you work with this type of unit like this, you gotta make sure the power's off. Okay, there's a switch before you start touching anything. Usually make up a call for heat, find out which switch. It should be a whole bunch of switch. If you're in the commercial application, it should be a whole bunch of switch for each pump and the wall. And make sure you do for this pump a call for heat and wait till the motor start running, and you check the switch, make sure you kill the power, because you don't want this thing to go on. Hold on. Hold on 1 second, guys. Okay, so